Oh my gosh, Michael, there they go. Oh my gosh.
Jake's holding his hand.
Oh my gosh.
Jake's holding his hand.
Hey, hold on. There they go. They're crazy. Oh, Michael, hold my hand. Okay, I'm going to be okay. Oh, Michael, this is nuts, honey. They're crazy. No matter what Jake says, and Jake, I know you'll hear this later, we're smart here sitting on the bench. Right, Michael? Oh, my gosh, they're still going up.
Oh, yeah.
They're going to come right over our head, buddy. I can't stand to look. Hold my hand, please. I'm so nervous. I bet you like these, Jess. Oh, my gosh. Jake, it's going to go all the way to the top. Oh, my gosh, they're almost there, Michael. I'm so nervous. Okay, hold on. He's going to release it right here. Here he goes. Oh, dear Lord. Does he know what he's doing? Oh, my gosh. Oh my gosh, here they come. Oh, they're crazy.
So you don't let me do it?
No, I'm not letting you do it. You're crazy! Oh, Michael, they made it. Thank God. My prayers were answered.
Mom, what did you have to do before?
You had to just pull the orange cord.
That home?
Watch it. Yeah. Well, I remember when Daddy and I went, I didn't do it. Hey, Jake, how are ya? They're crazy. They're absolutely crazy. I'm thinking it's so good. Michael, was that nuts?